Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to make a ribbon banner using curved custom shapes. Start by selecting a curved ribbon shape from the custom shape tool. Drag the ribbon in the center of the canvas, keeping it wide enough for text. Duplicate the shape and flip it vertically for the bottom tail. Connect both ribbon parts using a small rectangle shapes and add a bevel effect to simulate folded paper's edges. Apply a soft gradient to enhance the ribbon's flow. Add drop shadows between folds for realistic layering. Insert text inside the ribbon using bold, clean typography. Now curve the text slightly to match the ribbon's shape. Add a edge highlight to emphasize the ribbon curves. Use a subtle textures overlay